Wow, friends, here are lots of amazing vehicles and marks. This is my collecting market. So let's start to collect these toys and vehicles. First of all, guys, a big vehicles collect in the bucket, and next two amazing big vehicles put it here. To another big toys put in the bucket, and next, my friend, another two big toys put it here, and last two amazing big vehicles put in our bucket. Wow, friends, water, amazing fish water. So friends, first of all, a big toys like a marks. Okay, after washing these marks. Wow, friends, just look at this amazing white, green and black color combination, super duper premium quality Hulk marks. Put it down. Another big toys like a water gun. Okay, after washing this gun. Wow, friends, just look at this. What is this, my friend? Amazing green and purple color combination. Super duper premium quality water gun toys. Put it down. And the big vehicles like a fire control car. Okay, after washing these vehicles. Wow, friend, look at this amazing white and red color combination. Premium quality fire control vehicles. Put it down. Another big vehicles like double decker bus. Okay, after washing this bus. Wow, friends, just look at this super duper premium quality double decker bus vehicles. Put it down. And next, my friend, another big vehicles like a crane. Okay, after washing these vehicles. Wow, friends, just look at this amazing green and white color combination. Super duper premium quality crane vehicles. Put it down. And next, my friend, another big toys like a police car. Okay, after washing these vehicles. Wow, friend, look at this black and white color combination, premium quality police racing car vehicles. Put it down. Another racing vehicles like a monster racing car. Okay, after washing these vehicles. Wow, friend, just look at this amazing black and yellow color combination, super duper premium quality monster racing car vehicles. Put in the ground. Another big vehicles like fighter jet plane. Okay, after washing this plane. Wow, my friend, just look at this. What is this, my friend? Amazing white, red and orange color combination, premium quality fighter jet plane vehicles. Also collect in the floor. And last, my friend, a big vehicles like a fire control car. Okay, after washing these vehicles. Wow, my friend, just look at this. What is this, my friend? Amazing white, red and black color combination, premium quality fire control vehicles. Put in the ground.